PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Jenkintown, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our commercial HVAC company installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the difference between commercial and residential HVAC? The work of residential HVAC technicians involves servicing the heating and cooling systems of your everyday homes, whereas the work of commercial HVAC technicians involves servicing businesses and other public places. How often should commercial HVAC be serviced? Several factors determine how often you plan business maintenance, but twice a year is a fair rule. Spring and fall are the greatest times for maintenance because of temperature extremes. What is your service area for the Jenkintown, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Jenkintown, Ardsley, North Hills, Orland, Lavrock, Windmore, Glenside, Flowertown, Wyncote, West Oak Lane, Elkins Park, Rockledge, Fox Chase, Meadowbrook, Abington, Noble, Stenton, Cedar Brook, Lamont, Cheltenham, Pennsylvania. Where is your Jenkintown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 814 Greenwood Avenue No. 101, Jenkintown, Pennsylvania 19046. Our phone number is 610-672-3045. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Greenwood-Ev-Jenkintown-HVAC-service.